Macedonia in English. Just about everything you want to know.
Eight persons arrested under suspicion of financial crime. The police have arrested 8 persons from Bitola, Prilep and Strumica under suspicion of perpetrating financial crime worth 3.2 million euros. Namely, the financial police submitted requests for filing criminal charges to the prosecutor's office against persons involved in organized crime and corruption, criminal assembly, abuse of duty, destruction of documents, and assisting a crime. One of the persons is still at large. According to the financial police, in the course of 2010 to 2012, the mastermind of the group, RK from Bitola, owner and manager of Rimco Strait Doel Bitola, has formed and organized a gang tasked to prepare invoices with false content in order to illegally acquire profit and perform illegal financial transactions. With these activities, the criminal group had damaged the budget by 3.2 million euros.